Let's go.
Alright.
First batteries, full stomach.
Full of coffee. I'm well caffeinated and...
After a great little breakfast on the Oregon coast, Kelly and I board 5440 Hotel, a little Cessna 172, take off from Pacific City State Airport, and head back to Twin Oaks, but not before we decide to buzz the coast and swing around the Cape Meares Lighthouse located in Tillamook, famous for their cheese, which is also a great little motorcycle trip through their national forest, but that's for another video. We'll go about 84 nautical miles from there back to Twin Oaks Airpark and touch down there. So let's clear the prop and get our wheels in the air.
Yep, we'll wait for this to warm up, and then there's not really a good run-up pad. We don't want to blast these poor folks with prop blast. They all have signs and everything, and so what we'll do is we'll go to the end of the runway, and there's a quick kind of run-up pad that we'll do a kind of an abbreviated run-up, but we can check our flight controls right now, and looks good. So we don't want to prop blast those people. So this is, but what we'll do is I'll kind of show you where I want you to go. I got the plane for just a second. Kind of abbreviated run up here. So we'll just go. You want to check the mags for me there?
Left?
Yep.
Right? Yep.
Yep.
Carb heat?
Carb heat. Good oil pressure, oil temperature looks good, suction looks good, the ammeter looks good.
Yep.
And we're looking A-okay. And so what you'll do, you have your airplane back.
Okay.
And if you want to put in 10 degrees, well, that's a good setting, just like in Yankee the other day, to take off a little bit quicker. And yeah.
That's nice with the little green lights.
I know, it's fancy, huh?
Yeah.
Definitely. And don't forget your window, and we'll be ready to rock and roll.
Good call on the window.
All right.
Okay. So there's enough coming in on final here.
Yep, nobody's coming in this way, nobody's coming in that way.
Pacific City, Cessna 5440 Hotel, departing runway 32, Pacific City.
Cool.
That is a short little runway, isn't it?
It is.
Okay. Ready?
Yep, ready to go.
Okay, hills on the floor, full power. Start pulling it up now, huh?
Just wait just a hair. Now you're good to kind of rotate a little bit. There you go.
That 10 degrees of flaps helps.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that rock, it's just gorgeous.
There's our little restaurant right down there.
Yeah. Can we take out over towards that rock?
Sure, definitely. Absolutely, yeah, we'll go fly right over the rock. And make a lap around it while we climb.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
Oops. Keep looking for the wheel down there.
I know, in a little different spot. I'm going to pull your flaps up so you're going to get a little pitch change.
Oh yeah, there we go, thanks.
Yep. Raise up your nose just. There you go.
Might see some seals down there.
I know. That's awesome.
There's a boat down there too, right? Fishing boat.
Oh yeah.
That rock makes a good turnaround point. Exactly. This is Tillamook on the other side of that?
On the other side of the cliff.
I think the lighthouse is On the other side of that.
Okay. And if you want, we can level off about here.
Okay.
Just about 2,000 should be perfect, and yeah, you should get a good view. Definitely worse places to fly.
Or live.
Okay.
So there's a parking lot. It's not on this one, obviously. Parking lot that over here, and then when you walk down to the end, and the lighthouse would be on the tip of it. And so it's got to be right up here somewhere.
It's probably those rocks, but to the right, right? Is that what you're thinking?
Yeah, because I think I remember seeing the 3 rocks there from the lighthouse. Do you think we have time to fly all the way?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we'll be good. Yeah, we'll just kind of make a circle around it and then head towards home. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Great. Yeah, you can see the parking lot, right?
Oh, yeah.
And so there's a little hike down to the lighthouse. The lighthouse is on the other side of those trees, I think. It's just on the tip there.
Take it?
Yeah, for a minute.
Yep. We'll get it better.
You can see it, right? The white building.
Yes.
Climb up. That little white building next to the gift shop.
Oh, cool.
That's where you walk into it, and then you go inside. People in the parking lot.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
I know, you gotta... Yep. Alright, you got it.
Okay.
I'm climbing a little quicker. Just go up. Go. Yeah, you should be good to
Okay, start turning.
kind of swing around. Yeah, and if you want to let them know, we're on a
Let him know.
45 for downwind for 2.
Yep. Twin Oaks traffic, Cessna 5440 Hotel, entering a 45 downwind for runway 2, Twin Oaks.
Good, you'll be to your 1200 here very soon. Good. Then now start getting a little bit of trim in so you don't go below 1200. And we'll keep our turn coming around here. Maybe a little more trim even. Looks like we're gonna go below 1200. There you go.
Alright, Sam's pretty fast, isn't it?
Yes, indeed. Yep. Looking good.
Okay. Alright, beam the numbers,
Okay.
carb heat out, throttle to 15. Trim.
And maybe not quite that much, just kind of.
Traffic Cessna 550 Hotel, entering left base for runway 2.
Cool.
10 more degrees of flaps. The turn coming.
Out here, we don't want to cut in too much there. It's more to the right. There you go. All right, here we go.
5554.
Trying to be right at 70. And so use your trim a little bit. Yeah, a couple wheels and nose down trim, or nose up trim. Yeah.
I thought I was doing that right.
Wheel down, nose up. Yep.
We're at
Looks
80,
good.
we're
Let's-
two.
Yeah, let's see.
Get the
Pull the
nose
power
up.
all the way to idle. All the way to idle. There you
Oop.
go. Lower your nose a little bit. Using your feet. And we'll stay on that center line. It's easy to stay on the center line out here. It gets real hard when you get close. There you go. Good. Look all the way at the end. We don't want to just point at something real close here.
Okay.
There we go. We'll keep flaring, flaring, keep flaring, keep flaring, keep flaring. There you go. Now we'll get a little bit of brake in there. Get a little more brake. There you go. Cool. Now we'll take her over to the fuel pumps.
Alright.
Awesome.
Gotcha. Is your student flying this plane or?
No, we're gonna fly 150.
Okay, so
But-
maybe he's already.
He's pre-flighted. He's all good. I've got everybody trained well. All right, we'll come.
Hang on. Flaps up.
Awesome.
Yes, thank you again.
Yeah, you're welcome, for sure. Perfect.
Good here. You want one more?
No, this is great.
Okay.
Yep. All right.
Cool. Yeah, man. Fantastic.
A little tricky on that final landing there, but
It's good. No, you're doing great. Getting back to feed your addiction for flying a little bit, right?
yeah, you know, I mean, just still keeping my toes in the water a little bit.
Definitely. No, but if you want to get back into it, you know, ever jump back in, I don't think it'd be a big deal at all. I think you would, you know, you definitely are still got good skills to you, and
Yeah, just get up a couple more times, get soloing again, and then
yep, back up to speed.
So this was actually really great. Getting up again, you know, I mean, yeah, I'm a little rusty. It's been about a year since I've flown, but I got a couple of days here in a row with Kelly back in Oregon, and it did me, if nothing else, you know, mentally it did me a lot of good just to get up. You forget. It's not, you know, it's not just about the skills; it's the way it feels when you're in the air, and it's like riding a motorcycle, but in the air. There's just something about it where it sort of clears your head. It's the only thing you think about. So, yeah, man. Gotta get this finished one of these days. Till next time.